Hey everybody, it's Brooke. Got an itch. Apologize there. It's Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I'm so excited because I have a really fun project planned for us today. That is very, very easy, which I know y'all like easy. I like easy. Okay, let's be straight up and honest. I like easy. I like budget friendly. So I'm not gonna stick around all day getting started, but I want to show y'all. This is the sign that we're working with. Trick or treat. Does this look familiar? Because if it does, it's probably because you saw this morning on Re-Fabbed that I posted a link to a blog post where I made over this exact sign. But the way I did it in the blog post, which y'all, if y'all hadn't seen it, we're going to post it in the comments. Y'all don't have to leave this live to go look, but definitely check it out. It was so cute. It's one of my favorite projects I've ever done for fall, and I'm legit serious. But this is the same sign, but we're going to make over it in a whole new way. The way I did it on the blog changed the whole look entirely. Had no orange and black anymore, nothing. But this is going to still stay Halloween, and I'm going to show you how to make this same sign over in a totally different way that's even easier, okay? So we're going to make over this sign. Now, I've got some things in mind, and I got this ribbon. Y'all, this is not the most fabulous ribbon. This is from Michael's. It's a 50-piece set. I think I gave like $6 for it or something because I knew I would use the heck out of this ribbon. So we're going to use this because I want to do black and white bows. And I'm going to use a little bit of raffia, maybe. I'm going to use my bag of sticks. Y'all know me and my bag of sticks. And we're going to use a sanding block. So that's what I'm planning to use today. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead. These little raffia bows, no, they're a little bit cheesy. I just think it makes it, you can do better than this, y'all. You can do better than this. So we're just going to take it off. We're just going to take these little raffia bows off, and we're going to start from scratch, okay? They come right off. I know I'm making it into a big deal, but they come right off. See? Okay. Now, what I'm going to do next is probably... it's just going to be a way. Okay, so this is cute, but I want it to have like a vintage look to it. I want it to be vintage, bright, and fun, if that makes any sense, because vintage and bright don't typically go together. But I'm going to take my sanding block, and I'm just going to sand pretty heavily on this whole sign. I want it to have like a really distressed look, okay? Now I'm just going to take this sanding block, just the old sanding block, and I am really going to go to town. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, but I'm not going to just show every 2 seconds. But okay, now can y'all see? It's just kind of, I mean, you can really tell in the black one more. So that's all we're doing on that. Okay, this is all easy, y'all. All so easy. Now, y'all know I love me having a bag of sticks. I've had the same bag of sticks for a while now. And literally, there's sticks from my backyard that I broke down. I mean, that's all it is, okay? But I love using them. You see me use it constantly like this as little stems on my pumpkins. Because I just go over the stem with some little sticks, and it just gives it that pop of, I don't know what it gives it, that pop of texture, and it's really, and I don't care if these are a little longer than my stem, that really doesn't matter, okay? The pumpkins are smooth. Yes, they are smooth. So I'm going to go ahead, about 3 of my little sticks work good on a stem. So can y'all see this? I'm going to, well, let me just glue them and then I'll show you. So I'm going to go ahead and put the glue on, just some hot glue. My other hot glue gun, it bit the dust. I'm just going to be straight up with you. It lasted a good 3 years. It was a good friend to me. It bit the dust. I got to order a new one. So I've always recommended it because it's worked excellent. But after 3 years, it went kaput. So just being straight up with y'all. Okay, so I'm going to do this for all 3 pumpkins. But look right there how it just kind of added a whole new texture to this pumpkin. And then, of course, we're going to do bows on every single one of them. But these sticks make a big difference, okay? And like I said, y'all make sure that you've looked at the blog post I did earlier, because this same sign got a completely different makeover than this. So then you'll see this way to make it over and the other way to make it over. And you've got 2 ways. And yes, I'm missing one nail. Dang it. I know y'all can tell. So I just might as well go mention it. You'll have 2 ways to make over this same sign, which is extra fun. So let's go ahead and add some hot glue again to our little stem. Are y'all excited that it's Friday and it's the weekend? I know, like, working from home, it's different than, you know, going to my 9 to 5 and being so excited for the weekend, because I'm excited for every day now. But there's still it's something special about the weekend. So I'm still really excited that it's Friday. So let's do this last stem. It's so funny how something so simple can change the look. I'm telling y'all. So crazy how that happens. And these sticks, which is fun about them, these sticks are a lot longer than the stems. Okay? Okay. Now, got some of my little strings going. So we got this already. This already makes it look so cute. Beth, the other sign was exactly this sign, but I did not do it for Halloween. It's on the blog. It's all neutral. But it's really cute. This one's going to stay Halloween. So it's 2 totally ways to use the same sign. 2 totally different ways. 2 totally ways. So what I want to do is I want to make some bows for these to go across, okay? So as you can tell, I've got plenty of ribbon to choose from. Like I said, don't y'all forget to sprinkle, because somebody's going to win this for your little Halloween decor, and it's cute, not spooky, nothing like that. I'm not even wearing earrings today, Victoria. I know, I'm like not myself. So we're just going to pick some cute, we're just going to pick a lot of random stuff. It's all going to go good together. We're just going to pick some random. We don't need big bows. So we're just going to cut a few things. This rickrac's always cute. You can never go wrong with rickrack. I'm just going to clip, sorry, several of these together. Y'all know I love some black and white stripe. No joke. Let's see what else. Okay, this one's a good one. I'm going to do one more. Oh, no, that is cute right here. Look at this little one. Can y'all even see that? Okay. Kind of blind you if you looked at that too long. Okay, so I got several of these from my little Michaels thing, okay? Now, yes, I did design this shirt. Unique, blessed, and Re-Fabbed obsessed. They're in the store. We've had them for a while. I just ordered a whole bunch, and we just kind of sell them as orders come in. So we're going to just do this. We're not even going to really do the typical Re-Fabbed bow. Like, we are to a degree, but I'm not going to sit here and crisscross them like I always do. I'm just kind of bunching them up, and then I'm going to take a piece of twine and just do it around the middle. So it's like a Re-Fabbed bow. I'm just not going through all the crisscross motions, okay? So, just like this, flip it over. I'm going to do this for every single one of these bows, but they're all going to look a little bit different. Well, thank you for creating a watch party, Amy. You don't know how you did it, but hey, that's awesome. You're getting people over here. And y'all be sure to do that and tell me when you sprinkle, because somebody's going to win this. And I want it to be somebody that really is excited about it. Okay, so here's my little bow. It's just a rag bow. So I'm going to just put some hot glue right here under my sticks and glue it on. Okay. Oh, this is really cute. So this is kind of the look, and you can trim it down, and I may go trim it down in a little bit, but this is kind of the look we're doing. We've got the twigs has the stems. We're going to do, see, I'm backwards, so everything I'm trying to do is backwards. But we got those, and then these really cute little bows. We've distressed the pumpkins. This is looking so cute. So let's make a couple more bows real quick. They're all going to be just a tad different because we're not trying to make them the same. So I'm literally just pulling different ribbons together and cutting them out, making the same type of ribbon across the board. Making the same type of bow across the board, not ribbon. These scissors, I'm telling you what. Okay, there we go. Use some more rickrack. I just love that. This one's a good one. There's no rhyme or reason to what I'm choosing. They all go together, so it don't really matter. Let's do some black rickrack. Where is that black rickrack? Here it is, a little thin one. That's cute. So I need a little bit thicker one. No, I got that. Sorry, I talked to myself. Hannah can attest. Bless her heart. I hear Hannah talking to herself now.
She's got me down.
And when she started here, I never heard her talking to herself. So I think I've rubbed off on her. I can't help it, y'all. I had an imaginary friend when I was little. I guess I don't know why. I truly don't know. But, so we got some more ribbon. We're going to do the same exact thing. Tie a big old, no, well, not a big old, but a little piece of twine. Get it tight. Make you another bow. Kathleen says, your bows look so much better than mine. No, Kathleen. No, that is not true because listen, all I did was take ribbon, made a stack, and tied twine around them. That's all I did. You know you can do that. You know you can do that. You gotta speak it. You can't speak negative. So I'm gonna glue this one on, then we're gonna do our last one. Who has been sprinkling this video? Tell me. Because what if you've got a friend out there, y'all, that is sitting in her house saying, I wish I knew how to do a dollar store craft. I wish I had that trick or treat sign from Dollar Store so that I could make it over and make it beautiful, but I don't know how. There's nobody to teach me. And you know that there is. I'm joking, but there are people out there who would love to see the fun things we do over here, okay? Seriously. Sound is really low today. I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to do one more bow. It's exactly the same setup as always, so I'm not sure what could be wrong. Okay. I love to hear that y'all sprinkle because when I really like stuff, you know, I love to share it with others, and you just, like, that's how I have found some of the coolest things. It's just by seeing it on somebody else's timeline. Really, it's word of mouth, but by the internet. And so that's why it's so important for us when you do that, when you sprinkle a video, because it just helps get the word out about what we're doing, and it's always fun to get new members of the Re-Fabbed family over here. So I think you can't go wrong with black and white. You know what I mean? I'm a big fan. So let's get this last bow on here, y'all, and let's see what we think. I'm telling y'all, I could do thousands, well, I have done thousands actually, of DIY projects with Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, Walmart, just stuff that I found on a budget thrift store. And when I see what it looks like after, and it didn't take me hardly any effort or money, it just gets me excited. So look at this. How cute is this, y'all? All we did to this, and you wouldn't even have to distress it. We took the sanding block and distressed it down. All it did was give it a little bit of a rougher look and kind of tone down the colors. You wouldn't have had to do that. So you could cut that step out if you wanted to. But all we did, we took the little bows off that it had on there, because it was these little silly bows that, you know, we did that. And then we put our little sticks up here at the top for our stems, sticks from the yard. You know you got sticks in your yard or somebody's yard. They're not going to care if you take a few sticks. And then made bows. That's all. And it's so cute. So it sits right here. So it was $3 at the Dollar General. not Dollar Tree, Dollar General. And now we've got a really cute little shelf sitter. That is so adorable. And somebody is going to win that sprinkled the video. So, I don't know, in the words of Kentucky Lottery, somebody's going to win, might as well be you. So that's what I'm going to say here. Somebody's going to win, might as well be you. You never know. So I would love to send this to you in a little card. I always send a card along with our gifts. So if you liked this makeover, then I think you'll really like the one on my website too. Hannah's got a link down at the bottom. You can go check it out too. It's the same exact sign, but it was done polar opposite. Polar opposite. It's not even orange and black anymore. It's only neutral colors with all kinds of fun stuff that I did. So it gives you 2 ways to do this same exact sign. And I think you'll like it. So, thank y'all so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope y'all have a happy weekend. And I will see y'all next time. Thank you so much for sprinkling and spending some time with me today. I absolutely always love to hop on here and see what everybody's up to. So y'all make sure to make this, sprinkle this, and show me when you do. Bye, guys.